i30N version 6. Now, if you own a 4-character plate or lower, you're gonna have a problem. The box is too big, but I'll show you how to fix that with our delete kit. Let's get into it. So this is the problem. You've got small plates, but the box is larger than the number plate. So especially with these Victorian 4 characters or these signatures, you got a lot of excess material on each side, so it's oversized. So what we did is we redesigned this box to be a lot smaller. It goes into factory holes, and then you can put your bracket and your plate on top so you don't see anything. All you gotta do is take the plate, take the blocks, and swap it with this, and you're pretty much done. Got the plinth on. Now this is a 2-part mounting solution, which means first you need the plinth, second you need to get a matching number plate bracket to suit your number plate style. For example, if you've got signature plates, you grab the signature plate bracket. If you've got a slimline, you grab a slimline bracket, which is what we're doing today. So I'm just going to attach this to the plinth, and then the plates can go straight on and you're done. Just remember, it's a 2-part mounting solution, so you need to get the plinth as well as a matching number plate bracket to get a look like this. I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.